Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2014 C350 4MATIC. This one is in iridium silver metallic. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with the lighting package, which is going to give you a bi-xenon active light system and a intelligent high beam control. Also, this one does have the sports package, which is going to give you 18-inch AMG two-tone black with polished wheels. Tires are in good condition. For our interior, we've got a black MB text with Dynamica red stitching, panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a roof spoiler and a trunk spoiler. C350 4MATIC badging. Set of AMG clean floor mats. Coming up front, this one does come with a blind spot assist, keyless entry, a brushed aluminum trim, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, rear view backup camera, navigation. Also, this one does come with the lane tracking package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist and lane keeping assist. We've got our hard keys for our radio and media display, heated seats, dual climate control, automatic transmission. This C350 has 126,895 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this C-Class, check out feldmanimports.com.